Every time I play
So,
Overwatch
Widowmaker.
on Twitch, my title is Waifu Watch.
Waifu watch. What?
Feminists were like, I know all these characters have different backgrounds and nationalities and skin colors, but where are the fat ones? I want fat.
Hold on. Aaron, look behind you. What is that?
The fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
I'm all at foring. I'm all at foring.
I'm killing myself. Fuck this shit.
No.
Oh my god, what the fuck was that?
That was horrifying.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. That was just in case. Holy shit.
That was horrifying. What the fuck was?
Oh no.
I'm gonna back up my Dark Souls saves right now.